Hey guys, so today I'm joining Whitsunday Segway Tours on their Rainforest Discovery Tour. I'm pretty pumped for this one because I have not been on a Segway before, so I'm really looking forward to kind of riding around and zipping through the rainforest. It's going to be such a fun day. Already it is beautiful, it is sunny, it's a great morning, and I'm just really hoping that the weather stays that way so I don't get rained upon and as drenched as I did yesterday. So let's take a look, guys. Let's get straight into the day. Alright, so today I'm here with Zach from Whitsunday Segway Tours. So Zach, talk a little bit about what you do here at Segway Tours.
Yes, so this is our more adventurous tour, hence why you're doing it. And we also do a sunset boardwalk tour, so that goes from Mealy Beach all the way to Canberra and back again with dinner and a sunset.
It's such a fun way to explore a place without having to, have a high fitness level or just add something a bit unique to the experience.
What I loved most about the Rainforest Discovery Tour was the relaxed vibe of the day. Zach guided us deep into the rainforest, highlighting some of the native flora and fauna, and we enjoyed a light morning tea break beside the crystal clear waters of Impulse Creek. We were then given the freedom to ride the trail back at our own pace, which was the perfect way to enjoy all the sights and sounds of this stunning tropical rainforest.